Sup guys, today I'm gonna be scalping the heck out of GJ right now, about to enter for a long, placing my stop loss below this 210.35. Super risky trade right here, right? But I do think price is gonna like start pushing up just like this, so I'm just gonna go in for the trade. Okay, now maybe I'll wait for price to come down here. Let's look at the bearish momentum and let's wait for that to get faded. You see internal structure heavily bearish right now. Price just up this high. We're not pushing to the downside. Okay, but my expectation is that price is gonna make like a little pullback to this area right here. Swap some available liquidity above this high before continue going down even further. Okay. Now, the truth is price can also make like a pullback just like this back to this supply and just continue going down as well. So it doesn't have to do the move that I envision it to be, right? But right now I'm trying to catch the scalp from here to here. Man, I don't even want to be doing this shit, man. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm scared as shit right now, man. Scared as shit right now, bruv. Right, entering for longs right here. Ready? 210.25. Oh my god, we're going against the trend, boys. Scared as shit right now, man. But I do think price is gonna start pulling back anytime soon. This is where it starts creating that failed reaction. And we're going up, boys. There we go. There we go. Start pumping. Yes, sir. There we go. Okay, we're in the scalp right now, man. 800 and... How many lots is this? Let me just put... Super calm right now, man. Totally. Ta-da, super calm right now. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Look at the drawdown. It's a massive drawdown right now, man. Massive little drawdown. Okay, but there we go, man. We gotta go up, man. We gotta go up, bruv. Come on. I'm gonna take profit right here at the next supply, which is around this. You know what? Maybe I'll take profit at this high right here. 210.7. Okay, but anyways, we're in the building, guys. We're in the building! Let's go! Let's go! Man, I feel like Charles Leclerc right now, bruv. Okay, so I'm potentially just gonna target the next 5-minute high. Just want to be a little bit conservative when it comes to this. Right, super duper aggressive scalp. Right here, place it at the next 210.8. And I'm good, man. 210.8, I'm good. Oh my god, my heart is pumping like crazy, man. So, potentially what happened is that price came down here, swept this low here. And I'm pretty much betting that price doesn't have sufficient momentum to go down anymore. Okay, and there's multiple evidence backing this trade idea up. First thing is that prices came down to the extreme demand that we have marked up right here. And then the second thing is that you can see right here what we have was price creating a break of structure to the downside. When this happens, guess what? This is the last fractal low, right? And then later on price went up there, took out the fractal low, and it did not give us a fractal market shift. Instead, it gave us liquidity sweep for price to continue going down even further, which means that this is actually a fake market shift. And since this is the fake market shift, this tells us that price is going to come down and take out the available liquidity below this strong low right here. And that's exactly what I envisioned the price to do, right? Just come down, take out a strong low, grab all the available liquidity right here before pushing to the upside. So right now that just happened, right? We just got the liquidity sweep right here. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, this is freaking scary. But anyways, like I said, plan the trade the plan, fuck your emotions. What happened is that price came down here, swept the available liquidity below this low, and right now we are pushing to the upside. And an additional confluence is that I also saw price taking out the last fractal lower high right here. And then this is where I knew for a fact that demand has overpowered supply, right? And all I needed was extra confirmation, right? So I pretty much waited for price to come up here, mitigate this next 5-minute supply. And I'm betting on the fact that it created like a failed reaction right here. So it came up here, mitigated this, and this is the failed reaction, which means that this is the price point where demand is about to overpower supply, and right now we're going to push to the upside. And the reason why price has to come all the way down here is because it needs to sweep some liquidity, right? And where is the nearest liquidity for it to sweep? Right here. There we go. Man, I feel like freaking Charles Leclerc right now, bruv. I feel like I'm in the zone right now, man. I'm in the zone, bro. I'm telling you guys, do not touch me when I'm in the zone, man. When I'm in the zone, I'm fully locked in and shit. I don't have any fear. I don't have any emotions. I'm just all about executing the plan. But anyways, stop loss is at 210.25, right? Right here. Pretty low, tight low stop loss right there. 210.25, somewhere around here. And my target is going to be at this area right here. Okay, like, yeah, I'll say like somewhere around here. Actually, can it come up here? Yeah, it can potentially come up here. So I'm just gonna target. Let's see. Okay, you can see if this failed reaction play out in the way I envisioned it to play out, it's gonna do this. Mark my words, guys, it's gonna do that, man. I'm scared as shit right now. I don't know like whether you guys can tell, but I'm scared as shit right now. But this is what great traders do, man. They continue to stay calm under pressure. And like I said, just trade the plan. It's all about trading the plan, guys. What now? Oh my god. What now? Oh my god. Am I messed up, man? Yo. Are we cooked? Are we cooked, man? Are we cooked, guys? Or is this the last selling pressure before it goes up even further? Oh my god, are we cooked? I think we're actually cooked, man. Oh my god. Oh, no, we're cooked. Well, that was fast. I just lost 77k. Holy shit. It is what it is, man. Move on to the next trade. Okay, so anyways, I'm revalidating this situation right now. Once again, yep, it sucks. It's very painful, but you know, we're gonna move on to the next trade and revalidate the situation. Okay, right now prices came down to this extreme demand zone. We still have a chance for this to happen, right? It's all about timing. It's very hard to get in at the perfect timing, but it's all about, you know, trying our best. And right now, if I'm looking at this at the moment, we could potentially see price starts. There's just too much selling pressure in the market right now, man. I'm like still trying to process what's going on right here, man. Should we go back in, guys? Stop loss below this low right here, 210.15. Look, man, I do think that the trade idea was right, but the timing was wrong. Okay, so right now prices came down to mitigate this extreme demand zone over here. And I could potentially enter, place my stop at 210.1. Do I do this? Should I do this, guys? Oh my god, prices mitigate the demand zone. I'm telling you guys, man, I'm locked in, bro. Fuck the plan. Trade the plan, bro. Trade the plan, Brad. Trade the plan, Brad. Because there's still a chance for price to go down even further. I'm trying to like really like, you know, get in at the perfect timing because the first one didn't work out, right? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Once then start shifting bullish, I'm getting in. Once this candle right here starts shifting bullish, I'm getting in. I will only get in if this starts shifting bullish because right now price is mitigated the extreme zone. That swept liquidity right here. Okay, so like this is really the last line of defense that has to hold. If it holds, then we're shooting up. If not, then price is just gonna continue collapsing. Look at this. We are trying to catch the bottom of the entire market right now, man. This is something that I would advise you guys not to do. It's very difficult to call the bottom of the market. Okay, nope. I want to see price take out this high here. If price take out that high, then we are getting in. Okay, wait. Okay, are we going in? Are we going in? Okay, looks like there's no trade, man. Prices came down to this 1 minute demand zone right here. I'm really tempted to get in right now, man. But like, I'm not sure whether I'm trading my ego or am I trading the market itself. So if I'm trading my ego, I should get in right now. But if I'm trading the market, I need to wait for additional confirmation. I'm trying my best to be like as radical as possible, rational and logical. Yeah. Okay, we're shifting bullish. There we go. Are we going? Are we good? Are we good? We're shifting bullish. Fuck yeah, let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Oh my god, round two, man. Round two, guys. Oh my god. If price continues shifting bearish, we have pretty much F'd, man. This is gonna be like the worst loss yet, man. Like this could either fail terribly or it could succeed massively. There's no in between, man. There's no in between, bro. You know, yes, took out the final liquidity right here, mitigated the extreme 1 minute demand zone. We got a fractal market shift. Literally all the confluences are firing up right now. I was like honestly very scared to enter for this position because I just lost this one right here, right? I don't want to suffer another big L, man, but like I said, man, I practice what I preach, bro. Fuck your feelings, trade the plan. Plan the trade the plan, man. I see my opportunity, I just gotta take it, regardless of the previous trade outcome. I just have to, man. Okay, shifting bullish. Okay, we are shifting bullish, slowly but surely. You know, slowly but surely. Oh my days, stop playing with me, man. Time to push, bro. Time to push, man. Pushing P, bro. Come on. I'm just waiting for that huge surge in liquidity that drive price to the upside. Like when that happens, yo, shit is gonna happen, man. Like price is just gonna like go up significantly when that actually happens. But it haven't happened yet. Yeah, but if price starts going up, it's gonna go up so fast, so far. And we can even expect price to come all the way up here to this 211.8. And if that happens, then we could potentially be catching like the lowest point of the market right now. Literally the bottom of the market right here. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. Is it happening? Oh man. That's one hell of a trade, man. That's one hell of a ride right there, man. Boom. We're going up. We're going up. Fuck yeah. We're going up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. 210.1. Stop loss at the right place. Take profit. Where should we take profit? Potentially right here at 210.76. Yeah, 210.76. That seems good. Which is also the next, I guess, 15-minute demand, 15-minute supply. Right here, yeah, 210.73. Right, that is pretty good. 210.73. 210.73. Boom. Take profit set, you know, stop loss set as well. It's been long since I attacked like the same trade idea twice. I think this is really like, you know, just gonna be raw and transparent with you guys and just show you guys how I feel. Not feeling good right now, to be honest. To be honest, not really feeling good right now, but we gotta do what we gotta do, you know. One of my philosophy this year is that I won't just do my best. I will do what's required. And what's required means doing beyond my best, right? If that's what it means, then I'm just gonna do it, man. Holy shit! We're going up! We're going up! Yes! Yes! Hashtag totally not emotional, man. I don't know what you guys talking about. Who's emotional, bro? I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm like the most logical, the most calm trader ever. Holy shit. Guys, if this doesn't work out, this is actually like the biggest loss I've ever like documented live. Okay, like if this doesn't work out, this is actually gonna be like my biggest loss yet, right? So my haters are probably quite happy right now. Oh my god, no! Fuck. Okay, we are cooked, man. No, we are not cooked, bro. Price is just retesting this extreme demand to push up even further. Just gonna stay calm. Just gonna stay calm. I wonder if you can actually hear my heartbeat from here. Can you hear my heartbeat, guys? Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, man. Okay, like right now, right? Like this is really like the moment of the truth. If price starts flipping just like this, okay, we're going up. If price doesn't, okay, we're going down and we are cooked, right? So I'm just really like relying on like this move right here. If it doesn't, then like I said, man, it is what it is, bro. I was wrong about this trade idea. I was wrong about the trade timing as well. And I'm cooked. Oh shit. Oh my god. The biggest L yet, guys. Holy shit. Not good, bro. Not good, bro. Not good, bro. But I followed my plan. That's it. I followed my plan. There you have it, guys. The biggest L yet. In the month where we made the most amount of money, we also have our biggest L, right? So biggest win, biggest L is just two sides of the same coin, right? Okay, I mean, edge flow is right. You hit a max loss, stop trading for the day. You can see I literally can't even trade anymore, right? Like I can override it, but like I don't want to. I know the rational decision is not to continue trading, right? Because you don't block after a bad entry, you block because you kept trading after the bad entry itself. Yeah, there you have it, guys. We lost about 106k today. Ignore this, by the way, like this is not set up properly. Yeah. But we have lost about 106k today, man. We attacked the same trade idea twice. Both failed, unfortunately. I don't know, man. There's just too much selling pressure in the market right now. So me trying to enter for a buy right here is like trying to catch a falling knife. But, you know, for some reason, I thought I'm a genius, you know, that I can actually predict the bottom of the market. But I guess not, huh? I guess not. So I'm done trading for the day itself, right? Thank you, Edgeflow, for enforcing my max loss guardrail, for enforcing my max trades rule as well. You can see I'm only allowed to take two trades a day. My max loss is only 100k. And right now, I've exited and Edgeflow literally like blocked me from trading because I'm literally about to like, you know, continue to trade because I'm starting to get emotional, trying to get back the money that I've lost. But edge flow stopped me from doing it, right? Stopped me from making stupid decisions. Time to freaking journal, bro. Oh my god. That's a big ass loss right there, guys. That's a big ass loss. Big man things, bruv. Big man things, man. This is not fun, man. I'm showing you guys the good, the bad, the ugly of trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And on the same month where I got a big win, I also got a big loss. Part of the game, man. It's like, it's gonna be uncomfortable as shit, especially as you're trying to grow. Right? Like people often ask me, yo, Brad, does it get easier? You know, does trading ever get easier? Fuck no. If you are actively trying to grow, like you're actively pushing yourself beyond your limits, trading does not get easier. I can't believe I just lost 100k. I actually can't believe this shit. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This loss hurts a lot. But I don't think it's the loss that hurt. I think it's the feeling of being wrong twice that hurts. You can see I'm very like objective about this. I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat it, right? I don't think it's the technical mistake that hurts, but rather the fact that I was wrong about the trade ideal and I was wrong about the trade timing. And once again, I'm not afraid to like own up to it because you're just not gonna catch them all the time, right? Like that's just part of trading. And whoever tells you otherwise, whoever try to sell you that trading is rainbows and sunshine is fucking lying to you, because this is the truth. It sucks. It's gonna suck a lot of time. It's gonna suck for an extended period of time. But if you know exactly what you're doing, right, which hopefully I do, your wins will outweigh your losses. And that's all that matters. And ultimately just understand that professionals grade execution, not P&L. Right? It's like professional traders, we are not obsessed over like the daily fluctuations of our P&L, of our equity curve. We are obsessed with the process. We are obsessed with just executing our trade plan consistently, because we know that if we do just that, the profits will take care of themselves, right? The result will take care of themselves over the large sample size of trades, over the long term, right? So over here, you can see, this is my trading result so far this month. I've documented almost every single trade live. This one was a swing trade, right? So I didn't record this at all. This one was like a US 30 trade, right? So I don't really even know whether I should count it or not. This one was a trade that my friend accidentally took on my account. But yeah, so far overall on the month itself, we are still up. We're still up quite a lot, right? But I guess this is the price of going outside of a comfort zone. I think this is the best way to master yourself. It's to just actively do the things that you don't feel like doing. Bro, honestly, I'm just so grateful for edge flow, man. Without edge flow, I'm still gonna be trading because I feel this huge urge to revenge trade right now, right? Because of my ego and shit, right? But literally, edge flow like blocked me from trading. I can't even continue trading if I want to, right? It just adds so much friction for me to like just continue trading. And to me, looking at this right now, what I've understood recently is that trade outcomes lie. Like they are not a good representation of your trading performance. What I mean by that is that you can do the wrong thing and still get rewarded because you got lucky. Or you can do the right thing and still get punished because of variance, right? Like you can execute a trade plan consistently, follow the plan, journal, review, and still get punished for it because the market is random, right? Because of the random nature of the market itself. So if you attach your P&L to your trading performance, you attach your self-worth to your net worth, you will not only be riding the emotional roller coaster all the time, you will also be forming bad habits that will hurt you in the long run. Because next thing you know, you are neglecting your trade plan because you got rewarded for not following your trade plan, right? Like you want to trade and you didn't even review your trade plan. And then now you want to repeat that behavior. And when you repeat that behavior, this further reinforces that behavior. So, like I said, my philosophy is very simple. Do the right thing. Just do the right thing, regardless of how you feel. And in the long run, you will get rewarded by the universe, by God, whatever. That's it, man. Hopefully you guys can have a good laugh about my 106k loss. I'm super emotional right now. I just don't show it because I believe that, oh my God. I believe that, okay, man, calm down, Brad. Come on, it's just 100k, right? It's just 100k, right? Fucking hell, man. What do you know, man? You haven't lost 100k in your entire life before. But yeah, it hurts. Yeah, but I also understand that you cannot control your initial reaction, but you can control your response to the initial reaction, which means that you cannot control the emotion that you feel as long as you're human. but you can control how you interpret that situation and what you do with the information, what you do with the emotion. You can choose to let it control you, or you can choose to transmute it, right? So right now, I'm just transmuting all this negative emotion to discipline. All right, like Brad, cool. You took a loss, now it's time to review. Now it's time to journal this trade itself. And then as you journal this trade, as you find out what went wrong, this is where you can get better. Yeah, this is what it takes, bro. This is what it takes to win. It's not the wins that teaches you a lesson. It's the losses, man. It's always the losses, bro. It's not that the market hits you. It's not that the market is trying to punish you. In reality, the market is just trying to teach you a lesson. A lesson that you need to learn right now so that you can progress, so that you can advance to the next level. Because the market is neutral. It's your interpretation of the market, which is formed by the accumulation of your experiences, that determines your relationship with the market. Which also means that you decide whether the market is a foe or a friend. You decide how you want to interpret this loss, whether it's a signal or an indicator that your strategy sucks or that you're bad at trading, or it's just a lesson that the market is trying to teach you so that you can get better. And I choose to look at it from the second perspective. It's something that sucks in the short term, that hurts in the short term, but it's gonna benefit me in the long term. Like 3 years from now, I'm just gonna be looking at this loss and thanking myself from suffering this loss, right? Because this loss has taught me lessons that no mentor, no YouTube video, no book would ever teach me. The market is the greatest mentor. Thank you.